This short video provides a background introduction to this YouTube playlist. The videos posted here will chronicle the journey of a real money, live traded stocks portfolio in the US markets, warts and all. You'll see trades from the day they are signaled as a buy to when they are signaled as a sell, profit and loss trades alike. You'll see the ins and outs and ups and downs of the stocks portfolio through our homegrown portfolio manager. The trading signals that you will see here come from a deeply researched, rules-based system, which is available for anybody to use for managing their own stock portfolios. Why is rules-based so important? Because it means that the content you see in this playlist is repeatable and replicable by anybody. We'll delve into detail about the merits and challenges of trading the stock market with a rules-based system. Now, there are 3 ways you can find any given trade signal on the day that it occurs. Firstly, we can run a pre-programmed scan in a charting software tool. Secondly, you can receive buy and sell notifications which are sent to an app on your smartphone on a daily basis, if any signals are present. And thirdly, the signals are displayed on stock charts, where you can step through a watch list to visually see each signal on the chart. This can be done because the research criteria for the rules-based buy and sell signals are unambiguous and have been programmed into charting software. You simply continue repeating this efficient process, which should take about 15 minutes a week and no more than an hour a week while you're still learning the process. In our video posts, we'll examine the outcomes, warts and all, in all time frames as we chronicle the life journey of this portfolio. Full disclosure, this portfolio was paper traded real time from the 1st of January 2016. But with the real money in real time from January 2018. That's now over 7 years. Plenty of evidence to show how well a rules-based process works. If you have any questions, please ask them right here on YouTube. If you enjoy the journey of following this real money portfolio, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified when new videos are published.